everyone, I'm here with another layout, and my background is Scrape Paper's All Heart. That multicolored striped pattern is Scrape Paper's All Heart, called BU. That pink strip is Pink Fresh Studio's Joyful Day, and the floral strip is Pink Fresh Studio Joyful Day Being Us. And then here I'm going to cut some circles as well. First I need to I realize this pink strip is not straight. I'm sorry, Patton. He's such a pain when I'm trying to scrapbook. So I'm just going to line it up and straighten it out. There we go. Alright, so the orange pattern circles, those are Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Horizon. And so there's my circles. I did a circle and then I cut it in half. So I'm going to have a half circle, and I think I use a whole circle. Alright, so the floral strip is actually the reverse side of the pink. And then this is pictures my sister took of them in an elevator when they were shopping. I want to say that they were at the Mall of America, but I might be wrong. I don't recall. Alright, so I'm going to use some of that striped pattern at the top. It has rainbows on the other side, but I really don't have any pictures in which a rainbow would make sense. Pen was trying to jump. Alright, so there's my whole circle that I use. And then I'm going to use Scrape Paper's chipboard stickers from their All Heart collection. I used several of them. And what I did is, I don't like how dimensional they are. I like to be able to layer them, otherwise I don't use them. So so what I do is I pull off several layers so it lays flat. I'm restarting my show, streaming a TV show. And then my puppy sticker, which I'm using for my title, is American Crafts Dreamer Thickers. So on the orange circle, I am adding my title, which is going to be Here Comes the Fun, is what that sticker says. Alright, and then once I get everything glued down, that pretty much completes the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.